Today, we're exposing secret WhatsApp hacking tools found on Github. Your privacy could be at risk. Here's what you need to know. This video is for educational purposes only. Let's dive in. WhatsApp Public tracks the online and offline patterns of WhatsApp users. It logs your activity timeline without accessing your chats or messages. Anyone can see when you're online, even with privacy settings enabled. This basic visibility lets tools like WhatsApp Public build detailed timelines of your activity. Be aware, your online status can reveal more than you think. WhatsApp Sniffer is a tool that intercepts unencrypted WhatsApp data on shared public Wi-Fi networks. It captures data packets sent between your device and WhatsApp servers. These tools are easy to use and can expose your messages or images if the connection isn't secure. Always use a VPN or switch to mobile data for private activity on public Wi-Fi. It's a simple step that protects your privacy. FlexiSpy is a commercial monitoring tool with a remote dashboard for tracking WhatsApp chats, calls, and deleted messages. Once installed, it gives full access to private conversations, often without the user's knowledge. FlexiSpy can extract call logs, messages, media files, and app activity in real time. Always control app permissions and check for unknown apps to protect your privacy. mSpy is a user-friendly monitoring tool that can access WhatsApp chats, media, contacts, and deleted messages. Once installed, it runs in the background and is hard to detect. Protect your device with a strong password or biometric authentication. Spyzy can silently monitor WhatsApp group chats, shared media, and screenshots, operating in the background without easy detection. To protect yourself, regularly check for unfamiliar apps and hidden processes on your device. Use trusted antivirus or anti-malware tools for extra security. Stay proactive to keep your group chats safe. Hoverwatch records not just WhatsApp text chats but also voice notes, shared images, and takes periodic screenshots of your screen. All this data is uploaded to a remote server for access by whoever set up the tool. To protect yourself, keep your device updated, use strong security settings, and regularly check for suspicious apps. The more proactive you are, the safer your data will be. Heister Mobile can track live and deleted WhatsApp messages, attachments, and device locations. It runs silently, making monitoring undetectable. Features include real-time notifications and remote data access. To stay safe, only install apps from trusted sources. Regularly check your device for unfamiliar or suspicious apps. Deleted conversations can still be recovered if monitoring software is installed. CocoSpy is a tool for tracking WhatsApp multimedia messages, calls, and chats in real time. It provides a dashboard for instant updates, letting someone monitor messages, shared media, and call history as they happen. Protect yourself by enabling strong device authentication and using multi-factor authentication. XNSpy offers real-time keyword alerts and automated filters, scanning calls, chats, and shared files for specific words or phrases. If a match is found, you get instant notifications, no need to manually review everything. Watch for unusual battery drain or data usage, as these could signal automated surveillance tools running in the background. The TruthSpy records WhatsApp conversations and group chats, allowing remote viewing of chats, call history, and app usage. Even if you delete conversations, this tool can capture and store them before they're erased. To protect yourself, use encrypted messaging apps, update your privacy settings, and avoid sharing sensitive info on devices you don't control. iKey Monitor captures every keystroke you type, including drafts, unsent messages, and passwords, before you even hit send. This exposes sensitive information and increases your risk of identity theft. Protect yourself with strong device security, regular updates, and by avoiding apps from unknown sources. GuestSpy is a tool that can remotely track WhatsApp interactions and calls, silently sending your data to external servers. To protect yourself, regularly inspect your device for unknown apps, check data usage, and review network activity for anything suspicious. Routine device checks and monitoring network logs are essential to spot silent data exfiltration. Spyera isn't just about WhatsApp. It's a full device surveillance tool that can monitor chats, calls, emails, social platforms, and even ambient sounds using your microphone. To protect yourself, regularly review app permissions, restrict microphone and camera access, and use comprehensive security solutions that monitor your entire device. MobiStealth is known for its ability to record WhatsApp calls and chats across both Android and iOS devices. With a remote dashboard, it allows continuous monitoring from anywhere, giving operators access to conversations and call logs regardless of the platform. Cross-platform functionality means that no matter what device you're using, you could be at risk. It's important to secure not just your primary device, but every device you use to access WhatsApp: phones, tablets, even laptops if linked. The best way to stay safe is to keep both your Android and iOS devices updated, use secure lock screens, and disable unnecessary app permissions. Don't assume you're safe just because you're on a different OS. Security is a moving target. Lastly, let's talk about Copy 9. It's often marketed as a parental control app, but it can be used for much more. Copy 9 enables remote access to WhatsApp chats, call logs, and media, and can even recover deleted messages. While some use it for legitimate reasons, the potential for abuse is huge. Copy 9 blurs the line between ethical monitoring and privacy invasion. Used responsibly, it can help parents protect their kids. But in the wrong hands, it becomes a powerful tool for unauthorized surveillance and privacy violations. Whenever you see tools marketed as parental controls, look closer. Make sure they're used ethically and securely, never as an excuse for invading someone's privacy without consent. Education and transparency are always better than stealth and secrecy. So there you have it, 15 secret WhatsApp hacking tools, each exposing different privacy risks that are more relevant than ever in 2026. From silent monitoring and keystroke logging to real-time behavioral tracking, these tools show just how vulnerable our digital lives can be if we're not careful. The key message here isn't to spark fear, but to raise awareness and empower you to take control of your privacy. Remember, the goal is to use this knowledge for good, not for misuse or unauthorized surveillance. Awareness is your first line of defense. Take the time to set strong passwords, regularly audit the apps on your devices, and build secure digital habits. Simple steps like keeping your device updated and locking it down with biometrics can go a long way in protecting your personal data. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content on cybersecurity and digital privacy. Stay informed, stay secure, and always use technology responsibly. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.